Hello everyone, this is Stan, TKO Clamps. We're to the end of the month of May, and we're now doing our free drawing for our new fire extinguisher system, our quick release system. And today we have Marcus's bride, Ella. She's gonna come here and she's gonna draw the name out of the hat of one of our subscribers who liked us, subscribed to us, and wrote in the comments, TKO, American made, and that person finally won our fire extinguisher. So if Ella, if you'll come over here and pick the name out of the hat. And what is that name?
Doug Smith.
So Doug Smith is the new winner of our quick release fire extinguisher system. So our fire extinguisher, and that's this right here, he is now the proud owner of a fancy piece of jewelry for your UTV. Also, what I want to announce is next month we're going to be doing another sale. Here, Ella, why don't you take that from me, please? Thank you. We're doing this month's drawing. It's a free drawing. All you have to do to qualify is like us, subscribe to us, and in the comments, put TKO AM, and the AM stands for American Made. But this month, we're going to be offering our GoPro setup. A very cool system. You can mount your GoPro in numerous angles. It comes with a quick release lever, so you can just pull it right off and take it with you wherever you go to put it back on. It is a very simple process. You wrap it right back around there, and then you basically just snap it right back on, and then you adjust tightness to suit your own fancy. And that will be for this month. All you have to do to qualify for our free drawing, which will happen every month, is go to our website, or excuse me, our YouTube channel, go to like it, subscribe to it, and hit notifications. And the reason you want to hit notifications is you win, we can actually notify you. Up until this point, you're going to have to know that you're going to have to see our new video to know that you won the fire extinguisher. So for the month of July, we are also offering our brand new product that we haven't introduced to the public yet, but if you can walk around here and let me show it to you. This is our GPS mount and your smartphone mount and GoPro mount. It's very cool. It allows you to articulate the arm. It allows you to roll it forward. It allows you to spin it left and right, and it allows you to spin it up and down. This is multifunctional in numerous directions. We designed it so that if you wanted to, you could actually put a GoPro here, GoPro there. They slide on the track, and you can have literally 4 cameras facing in 4 different directions, and this is cool. You're gonna love this if you win this. So to win this one, all you have to do is like us, subscribe to us. In the comments, hit TKO AM, which stands for American Made, and you will qualify to win this free GPS mounting system in the month of July. Thank you very much. This is Stan from TKO. We're out.